We are back here at Overhaul. As you can see now, we're still struggling to take off the V-arms. But we got a few extra parts, we got two fenders, we got a bumper, we got fully dash. So we're just gonna fit whatever we can. Pretty much what's going is everything comes, whatever comes, we're just putting it on. So yeah guys, stay tuned. How it looks now.
Left fender on.
I will shot a few screws on top. Actually planning on buying new ones, but this is just the oldest for now.
It will do.
But this is how it looks.
And yeah, don't stress gents, we are going to spray the whole car, including the fenders and the bumper that we're gonna put on in the back bumper. As you can see, these things are white. But yeah, nah, everything will come. Everything will come. Just move on. Just move on to the right side. Right fender on. Yeah, it's coming together.
If we get another fender, we will change it.
Yeah, nah.
For now, this one works.
On to the dash. Back bumper first. Yeah, nah. Back bumper on. Plus this weather is not making it easy. We must see what we can do now with this weather being like this. Gonna fit the dash. Even though it's gonna get wet, it's fine. So the windscreen must go on first.
Yeah.
First the windscreen. Okay, yeah, nah.
That's it for the day, gents. Yo, this rain is not making it easy for us to complete everything we wanted to put in today. We did something. We got some things done.
Yeah, nah. Keep it. Yeah, no, that's about it for today's video, gents. We could have fitted much more if it wasn't for the weather. But yeah, it is what it is.
Yeah, thank you, gents, for y'all that are watching our channel, for y'all that is following the process. We truly appreciate it. Yeah, this is our goal. Let's do this, guys.
Leave a like, comment and subscribe down below, gents. We'll catch you gents in the next video. Danke.